Hooded Eyes makeup for over 50s. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a flattering makeup look, and I'm going to give you some tips and tricks that'll help you with your hooded eyes. Let's dive straight in. This is going to sound really bad, and it might even upset some people, but honestly, I've tried one other thing of Bobbi Brown's before, and I really didn't like it. So I was kind of amazed when I liked this eyeshadow, but it's super blendable, really, really nice. Blue is really not my color, especially with green eyes, but I've got to do it. I just have to. We could be in trouble here. I encourage you to wait to the end. You'll be surprised at how beautiful this looks. All right, since I have a hooded eye, I need a little color up higher, but it doesn't need to be that blue. You grab this color right here. I was not expecting this eyeshadow to be that pretty. Now what I'm going to do is build it up a little bit on that outer corner right here. The warmth of the brown and coolness of the blue create a natural, well-balanced look. If you were doubting, look at that. That's gorgeous. Tap in some of that chocolate brown on the outside of my movable lid. Just tap it where you want it. Then I have a tiny bit on the brush, and I'm going to bring it up. I'm just going to use a stippling motion, and that way it just goes in nice and soft with an older crepey lid. A stippling motion may take a little bit longer, but it does a beautiful job of blending. You can still go back and forth. I personally feel like it's so much easier on my eyelid to just do it like this. I can bring that all the way up into my crease and then work it in to where I've already blended it until it's as soft as I want it to be. And then here I'm just going to blend slightly over. Just overlap it just a little bit. We really want that color to mostly stay right there. Now we're going to grab this color right there. So gorgeous. And guess where that's going? That's going right on top of the blue. Wait until you see how pretty this turns out. I need a little bit more. Now look at this little bit of pinky sparkle that I put over top. It just adds that pop that I really needed. Let's go ahead and make this side pop like this side does. Now it's like a beautiful icy blue. Don't be scared to try colors that are a little bit out of your comfort zone. I think that's gorgeous. So Bobbi Brown reached out to me recently and asked me if I'd like to receive their new limited edition Bobbi Brown Pac-Man collection. Like a true child of the 80s, I was like, duh, gag me with a spoon, and gave them my address. And they sent me this fantastic PR kit that has all this amazing stuff. All these beautiful lipsticks, which I used as contour and blush also. And also that gorgeous Pac-Man Power Play eyeshadow palette that I used to create my look today. And look how cute. The Pac-Man actually move on this. I'm so thankful that they sent this to me. I had only tried one other Bobbi Brown product, but I didn't like it. So this has really been a huge learning opportunity for me. And I finally see what everyone's raving about. I actually thought this was the makeup bag. But look at this, it's got a handle and it's this cute, like long handled little bag. I mean, it's adorable. This one looks like a Pac-Man and it's the insulated makeup bag. So that is totally cute. Yep, I think I've got Pac-Man fever.